Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. Oh wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Hello. Today we are testing a product that was from the Twice Sheared Sheep Advent Calendar, which normally those items are not in their store, but this time there are a few exceptions. So look for more videos or more that have already happened. Go to the Twice Sheared Sheep playlist, it's linked down below. Anyway, if you want to know everything that was in the Advent Calendar, because you might be interested in one for 2025, I have a compilation video linked down below and my thoughts on the Advent Calendar, so go check that out. Okay, today we're looking at number 18. That means nothing to you, it's fine. This is a sock blocker. Now, I know, crocheters think, yeah, that's not for me. You can use this for crochet as well as knitting. So it comes in this cute little pouch, and there's two of them. I know they don't look like anything yet. So there's two of them because you have 2 feet. So you can make a sock blocker for each foot. So what is a sock blocker, if you don't know? A sock blocker is a contraption that helps your sock dry because you need to block it, which is getting it wet, so that the yarn can do its little chemical reaction, whatever goes on in yarn world. Look, I don't know the whole technical terms around it. I just know that if you don't do it and then you wash it, your socks may not fit. So, it's very important, but this one is very cool because it has multiple sizes. So you build your own sock blocker depending on which size sock you need to make and what kind of sock you need to make. Here, I'll show you. We've got the heel, the large toe, somebody with a larger toe box, someone with a smaller toe box. The large piece, the medium piece, and the small piece, depending on how big the foot is. You can make the ankle version. You can make it a little taller by taking off that piece. And you can make a long sock version. So you can make ankle socks, cruise socks, knee socks, what have you, all by using the exact same thing. I'm going to show you how it works. Let's go to the table and let's see how this works. Okay, so we have all these different pieces here, and depending on the size, this is for your small toes, this is for your large toes. And then the one where you use all the pieces, let's see if I can do that. So it goes like this. Okay, maybe it's like this. There we go. Okay. Okay. this one doesn't go there. So you need, wait, maybe it's this one. Okay, all right, I got those two pieces. Whew! All right, now I need the big one. And that goes like this. Maybe it's like this. Nope, nope, it was definitely the other way. Oh no. There might be a flaw in the printing. I can't get it in. Oh, you know what? We've got another set. Let's see if any of these pieces are friendlier. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Okay, that's... There we go. Okay, there. Phew. Now, the heel piece goes like this. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. And then this piece, oh, where did that little piece go? Oh no, this piece is supposed to be down here. Please fit. Yes, good, 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 good. Okay, now this little piece goes here. Good, okay, and this other piece goes here. Oh, that one was easy. And the toe. Hooray! We got one! So we have all these pieces here, and we can build any size sock blocker that we want. We've got a large toe, small toe, large spacer, medium spacer, and a small spacer, and of course the heel. So you can build one like this, or this, or this, depending on what size you need. So let's build this one. So we need the small one, we need the little spacer, we need one of these, and the heel. Okay. So first of all, there's a way to tell which side is the correct side and which side is the incorrect side. However, I haven't 100% learned that yet, except I think that there's a bit like of a raised line on the edge. You cannot see it, but you can feel it. There's kind of like a raised line on the edge of the ones that are supposed to go down. So this one's supposed to go like this. Okay, and then let's see, this one, I think it's this way. And if it doesn't fit, just flip it over. Okay, and the heel, let's see. Yeah, I think this is right. Okay. So the heel goes like this. There you go. That's like an ankle version. So then if you wanted to build, you know, build it a little higher or a little higher. Oops, wrong way. And then if you want to make a long sock, there we go. And there you go. You can go all the way up to a long sock. So this is a sock blocker. Great for knitting or crochet. Place damp, not wet socks onto the sock blocker to allow them to dry completely. And you can conform it into any size you want. So see, so whatever size your foot is, you can build it to the desired length. And you get 2 of these so that you can do 2 socks at once. Very cool. I like this product. Plus I love this color. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you liked this product. If you did, go to the link down below and join the waiting list. This will be on the shelves in the store on January 13th. So, thank you so much for watching. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!